Good morning, children. So, our subject for today is science, and we are going to study the proper use and handling of materials. We can see this in our book on page uh, 18 to 21. All right, so here are our word box. You can take note of this. And we have different materials in school and home, right? And each of them is significant and very useful. Materials can be solids, liquids, and gases. So here are our examples that we can usually see. So what are the things we should know in proper use and handling of these materials? It is very important for us to know this, especially you kids. The first one is do not play with pointed and sharp objects, especially like scissors, knives, and forks. Number two, be careful in handling brittle objects like bottles, drinking glass, plates, ceramics, and pots, especially if it is broken. Okay? It may cut your skin. Yeah. Next, we have to dispose containers properly, the empty cans, bottles, and other containers. And the next one is we must not play matches. Okay? And number five, we must always check the expiry date of canned goods and other products because spoiled or expired foods can cause poisoning. Next, let's go to liquid. We have to immediately wipe spilled objects, or liquids, especially when it is on the floor. Okay? And then we have to separate cabinets for medicine and harmful substances with properly labeled containers. And then we must not take medicine that is not prescribed by a doctor or given by a trusted adult. And then number four, do not taste or touch unknown and not labeled liquid substances. And then number five, wash your hands thoroughly with water and soap after using or touching a harmful substances, or we must not touch it. And okay, and then let's go to gas. Oh, what happened here? Gas is very dangerous. That's why we must handle it with proper uh, guidelines. The first one is the gas tanks and stoves should be tightly closed after use. Kerosene and gasoline must be stored in a safe, cool, dry place. We must avoid also insecticides because it may harm your health. Okay? Let an adult do it and stay out of the room that has been sprayed. Do not ever inhale also poisonous and unknown substances. Okay? You have to cover your mouth and nose with a mask or towel when walking in a place with a lot of moving cars, especially when you are traveling, because the gases from the car exhaust are harmful to your body. All right? So now, let's try this. You have to clap your hands if the statement is a safety practice, and you have to stamp your feet if it is a wrong practice. Number one, read this. All right, so you must not do that. You have to stamp your feet. Very good. Number two, wash your hands after using chemicals. Very good. It's a safety practice, especially nowadays because of the virus. We must always wash our hands. Number three, ask help from your parents when using chemicals, or rather, you must not touch any of this? Very good. It's a safety practice. Number 4, pick up broken glass pieces with your bare hands. Uh-oh, very good. You have to stamp your feet. It's wrong. Number 5, you have to store floor wax near the stove. Do you know what is a floor wax? It's a material that we use in cleaning the floor. All right, you have to stamp your feet because it is dangerous. Because floor wax has a gas content. You must not put it near the stove. It may catch fire. Yay! You did it. Very good. So now, let's do this. On page 22, you may answer the quick quiz A and B. Okay? And thank you.